Greetings, fellow chatbot creators. Welcome to YourGPT Chatbot Studio. Today, we're diving into entities, a smart way to extract and store useful information from user messages. Entities allows us to pull important information like emails, names, phone number, etc. from user text in an engaging way. For instance, if a user says, "My email is samuels@gmail.com," the information we care about is the user's email. To extract this, we can create an entity to identify and capture the email from the user's text. Once we've stored these details, we can process them for generating leads, calling third-party APIs, or integrating with other services. Let me guide you on how to define and use entities in our Chatbot Studio. Head over to the Model tab, select Entities, and click Add Entity. Here, we specify the name of the entity, let's say user email. Next, we define the type of data the AI should look for when reading the user's text. In this case, we specify the type as email. We can also create custom entities. Let's define another entity for capturing an order ID. When creating a custom entity, we provide a description for the entity. This acts as an instruction to our AI about the kind of value we're looking for. Here, we're looking for an alphanumeric order ID, so we should instruct our AI accordingly. These descriptions can vary based on different use cases. You'll need to test and refine your entity descriptions to ensure they work well for your specific scenario. Once we've set up our entities correctly, it's time to test them and see how they perform. Let's create a flow for capturing the order ID and user email. To capture any entity, we use the Capture node and select the entity that we have created. While capturing an entity, there may be cases when the user-provided information does not match our entity description or does not contain the valid data we are looking for. For this, we can add reprompt messages, so our bot will send these messages asking for the entity again. Capture entity also allows us to handle a no-match path. Using this, we can trigger a separate flow when the provided information does not match our entity description. Let's add a no-match path for our user email entity capture. In the last message node, we print out the captured entities to see what information has been extracted. To access the entity value anywhere in the studio, write flow.entityName in double curly braces. Now, let's test this flow. Great! As you can see, our entities have successfully extracted the email and order ID from the user's messages. Let's try one more time. This time, we'll send invalid data for the user email and see how it works. As you can see, for an invalid email, it asked for the email again, and after the second wrong attempt, it ran the no-match path. Alright, now you know what entities are, how to create them and use them in your chatbot. For more details, check out the YourGPT documentation. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on how to build powerful AI chatbots.